Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can poke someone on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Then you simply need to click on the search icon in the top right and you simply need to search for the box. Hit enter, click on that and here you can see your friends. So let's suppose I want to poke this. So you simply need to click on poke. So now you can see that this friend is poked. So this is the process by which you can poke someone on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.